Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to remove the last character in shift is string. We can create variables using this let. Actually this is a immutable type of variable now, because once it is content is declared in further this content, otherwise variable content cannot be changed. That's why we have to use mutable type of variable. Here var is mutable. Alright, let's go ahead and say the variable name as str. I will set this equals to just a string like this, hello world. Now I want to remove this last character. To remove this, we can go ahead and use this variable name dot and remove. Now inside parentheses we have to pass in what is the index is. We can say str dot index, and inside parentheses remember you have to say the parameter type as before, and colon I will say this variable name again. Here you have to use that, and then end index. Now we can just print this str and let's see the output. You can see the last character has been removed.